So where we are right now, we already discussed about literature review. Now we are going to specify the purpose of the research. That's called research objective. And we are also going to determine the specific research question. Then we will formulate our conceptual framework, which is called hypothesis. This is the objective of 2 lectures, okay? And if we want to tell in details, these are the contents we are going to cover, not in today's, that is in 2 days lecture, not today, in TWO, 2 days lectures, okay, inshallah. So we will cover up to this line, inshallah. This line means today we are going to cover at least these things, okay, up to research question. Then we will cover the hypothesis later. Can you recall what is hypothesis? Just for your brainstorming, can you say what is hypothesis? What is hypothesis? I already discussed in the initial lectures. Okay. Anyone? What is hypothesis? Are you with me? Can you hear me? Please try to interact.
Yes, we hear you.
So what is hypothesis? Okay, let me help you. Just for example, you have a research question, okay? And you are searching for the answer. So hypothesis is the anticipated answer of your questions, okay? That is, you don't know the exact answer, but you are anticipating, okay, before doing your research. So you will, okay, anticipate or predict a outcome, and you will validate your outcome with the experiment or with the survey or with the, we can say there are many techniques to do perform your research. So we will discuss in later. But the hypothesis, the initial idea is that you have research question and you are predicting an answer before doing your research, before going to the implementation. So this is called hypothesis. We will discuss inshallah in details. Don't worry about it, inshallah.
Sir, is it like a testing statement like this?
Testing?
Statement? Like when we are doing something, we will test according to our input, like that.
Yeah, if you can recall, we have said an example that, okay, we are thinking the school dropout rate in rural area, rural area is higher than the urban area. We are finding the reason. So I am predicting that, maybe the economic condition of their parents are the reason for discontinuation of in the education. So I am considering the financial status of the parents. Am I right? But you are considering that, okay, maybe social media uses or unfair relationship, or okay, maybe involving in what I can say in smoking or or other other bad habits. Maybe there are many issues, but I am predicting 2 or 3 factors that this may be the factor of school dropout in rural area. So this is the hypothesis, but I need to do experiment. I need to do survey, okay, to justify or test my hypothesis. So this I can say this is a statement about the future or about the outcome. Okay, clear? But we will become more clear when we'll go further, inshallah. So what is research gap? Can you tell me what is research gap from the name? Can you tell me what is research gap?
So research gap is something what is missed or from the other researcher in the research paper, or what should we add any kinds of topic what I think. If it is necessary for people, I think it is research gap.
Thank you for your nice answer. Mehdi, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what is your research topic you selected for this course?
So I forget the title, but I have to see. It's like cancer related or something.
The breast
Detections,
cancer,
something like that.
breast cancer detection, breast cancer.
No, sir. I have to check, sir, because.
Oh, you forgot. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Just for example, we are doing research how to identify the breast cancer. Okay, if we can detect in initial stage, then we have the chance to take precautions or to prevent for going to the next stage. Am I right? So how to detect breast cancer? So there may be many ways. There may be, okay, that's fine, computer vision approach. There may be, okay, image processing approach. There might be not computer vision or chemical or other approach. So just for example, I am doing research in this topic, how to detect breast cancer. Okay. So then I have to find out what have not covered by other researchers and where I can contribute, and this will be a contribution to the scientific community, and it can be used to, okay, detect the breast cancer effectively or accurately. So the research gap or literature gap, the similar thing, refers to the SAS unexplored or underexplored. That means you don't always need to, okay, you don't always need to, okay, work on a unexplored area. There is totally new area. You don't need to work on it, but you can also work on underexplored area. There is one area already explored by other researchers, but in their research, they have some limitations, they have some lackings. They mentioned that they did not cover this thing, that thing. So that are called underexplored area. So, and that have the scope for further research. So the example I have said, just already I told you. So maybe there are also many scopes to improvement. So that is called research gap. Simply a topic or area for which missing or insufficient information limits the ability to reach a conclusion for a question. Just for example, if I said a question for this research that I already mentioned, how to detect breast cancer, then the question might be, what is the efficient technique for detecting breast cancer? So just for example, one researcher provide that this way is efficient, but his accuracy is not up to their mark. Then it will say, okay, fine, this area is underexplored, like this, okay? So in the underexplored area or unexplored area, you have to find an unique research gap. This is very crucial, this is very important, and this is the main reason for doing literature review. Am I right? Some people think that why I should do literature review? I don't need to do literature review. I don't need to study research articles of other researchers. Okay, so this conception is totally wrong. Why? Because just for example, you don't know the current advancement of in a research field or in a research topic. Then you will do something and you will find that this research already done by other researchers. Am I right? Because the world is very super fast. People are working on numerous topics, numerous fields. Anything you want to work on, you will find that there are already some researchers working on it. Understood? So you have to find the unique research gap. This is very much crucial, very much important. So I will tell you, you must do literature review to find out the literature gap, and good quality literature review, okay, results in a good research gap. So this is very important. That's why I have focused a lot on literature review topic. Am I right?